Or choose from up to $4,000 parts and accessory credit, or up to $3,500 cash bonus on other models.
Oh, that car is so fast. Man, we got to 100 in like literally 3 seconds.
You're entitled to the world. You know what I suggest? You hire a lawyer. Make sure you track it. Install his release. Somebody else thinks
Let the
you know
bump
about
start
who.
it.
You need to get a lawyer right now.
Yeah,
To
fuck,
protect your
that was
interests
good.
as you didn't do before. Can't have this man being your producer, your co-writer, your lover, all of that. It creates problems. Okay, you're a business, go somewhere to the library, get you some books, read, understand, find out how it works. Most of all, get you a good lawyer who understands and knows the business, and then listen to that person, all right, and follow their instructions. At this point, you're not entitled to anything until such time as the song is recorded and released, then you're entitled. So, judgment for the defendant.
Judgment will be approved if the defendant.
Fixing an iPhone charger.
You're a cheating hound, and I'm never writing another song with you ever again.
Well, it's too bad. We make beautiful music together and throw me another record.
That's one.
This has been a production of Entertainment Studios.
Treaty and creed is not collector. An oral agreement.
Oh, this is just piece
And our agreements were always broken.
you're running out and it gets hot if I can or something
For
like
George
that.
Spence, the core treaty
Hot now?
was each heroine to help one another.
And so we, the commissioners,
It was there for the making of Treaty 9.
That's
where
not
the
solder.
treaty hold
we'll all
Where the fuck did I get this from?
I don't know.
The creed made their mark.
That's solder.
I know, but I can't hold it because it's too. Give me a pair of pliers from my toolbox.
Here, scissors.
Oh, so.
That's good, like that.
George Spence was my great-grandfather. In his life, he saw many promises of the treaty go unfulfilled. Treaties were essential
You're too
to the
shaky.
creation
You want
of
me to do
justice.
it?
First Nations still fight for the agreements to be honored.
till tomorrow on Morning Live.
Teresa Carolyn from Foodland, Ontario will be back with a couple of light and tasty dishes, all locally sourced.
On and off the joints. We're going to say the latest box office offerings.
And Tim Gordon is up to lunch jam at First Ontario Centre, where there will be lots of chills and thrills, hopefully not involving him.
Morning Live. Tomorrow starting at 6 a.m. Only on CHCH.
It's messy.
Let me try, let me try.
This is fun.
It was vital cash for a cure.
Mr. Hayden needed some money for some treatment that she required when she was diagnosed with breast cancer.
But what he did,
She asked you if you would sell some of her
Just give me the
jewelry.
ready the red.
Oh, it's not on
I'll
there.
do on the other side. I'm gonna, okay,
well,
let me do
facts
some
are
on this
facts.
side.
I'm not going to debate that. You're
Okay,
right.
hold it so I can.
I do not.
Judge Judy,
Wait, let me get it on the back.
Yeah,
you are about to enter the courtroom of Judge Judith Scheinman. The people
This
are
one's not
real.
bad.
The cases are real. The rulings are final. This is Judge Judy. Cheryl DeHaven is suing her ex-boyfriend, Barry Suggs, for selling her jewelry and holding on to the proceeds. Order. All right. Yes, case number 126 on the calendar, the matter of DeHaven versus Sykes.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Judge Parsons been sworn in.
That's it.
Maybe seated, sir.
Mrs. Heights, I was calling you, sir. Mr. Hayden, you're in a relationship.
Isn't he recording this shit?
Yes.
Oh my god. What is
Mr.
it?
Hayden needed some money for some treatment that she required.
If you
when
ever
she was
post this, there's
diagnosed
gonna
with
be like
breast
a million
cancer.
people like, that's not how you fucking suck. Where did
Quiet, just
this guy make the solder? I did it.
Let me try.
Okay, wait, let me get it.
Alright, Paul, give it.
Stop, man. Don't even do
Come on, let me
that.
try.
I am going to help her sign that jewelry. want you
Okay.
to describe the jewelry to me,
This
sir.
guy's back.
Okay, I need
How
to.
many pieces? Three. What were they?
Here.
One is a gold bracelet. One.
Wait,
one
try to
is a
get it
crystal-
melt
I
this
know,
on.
so we have to make sure. One is a gold bracelet.
Okay, leave it
And the
there.
other two are like. Now the wedding rings, were they gold?
You gotta, the
earrings?
tip for some reason doesn't get hot enough. You have to use like the thick part
Well,
of
one of them was severely damaged.
Let me try
Was
to
it
lift it.
gold and diamonds
Yeah.
or rubies or the gold? Just as you said, gold. What kind of stones? There are all kinds of
Don't
stones.
touch the plastic.
The
on
wedding
the
rings, the gold band were down in the one diamond.
It's not bad. Let me see
How
this.
big? I would have no idea. I've never been married. I've never purchased one. Okay, I assume you have all that information. Eventually, what
Let me try.
Wait, go, look, go.
and got some cash.
See if it works.
And didn't get
What?
cash
It fell warm because I took out close to that part. Okay, you got it back up. You got it back up.
Plug it in.
There's still more.
There's one left.
What kind of work do you do? I do all kinds of things. No, not all kinds. You're a doctor, a dentist, a lawyer,
Touch
a
it.
plumber.
Touch the.
What kind
No,
of work
touch
do
that
you do?
on
I'm
the.
self-employed.
On this
What do you do? Self-employed
What
is
about the
not a
green
job. You could be a self-employed architect, you could be a self-employed numismatologist.
Shit.
Numismatology is something. But
Okay, fine. Just do it.
you can do a lot of things in being self-employed, sir, but you can't be self-employed as a vocation. So what do you do?
Okay.
Self-employed contract. What? Contract. I don't know what that means. I come work on your house. Why does that have a
Everything
question
just
to it,
doesn't
Mr.
seem
Sykes?
as good.
You're not coming to work on my house. It's not a question. But I work on her house.
Okay.
I want to know what you do. I fix anything that has to do
Leave
with
it
inside
there?
of your well. Fine. So you're a handyman. Okay. Now, when Miss DeHaven gave you this jewelry to sell, I want you to tell me when she
It's
turned
like
it over
weird.
to
It's
you.
like
I know,
What
fuck.
was with regard to the jewelry? Okay. Prior to her dying,
Breathe, breathe.
pay attention to my question. Pay attention to the question.
It's like, you know.
To her giving you the jewelry, I want you to tell me
Okay.
what the discussion was about the jewelry. Okay. One morning.
Plug it in. Plug it in. I want to see if it works.
We're done. Oh,
The charger. I want to see if the charger works.
Just try to sell it for me, because I could use the money to pay the bills off.
Holy
Correct.
shit.
So I made
Do you have
lots of-
tape?
Just a second. Just a second.
That's so like burnt
Trustee
right.
Bigger, and I
Do you have
believe you.
tape?